combination.
And we liked the same stuff, which I was surprised about.
You had some 35 cents. I had to like some of them.
Hi, I'm Kairavi, the founder of Tipsy, and today I'm here with Meera Kapoor, who co-created our new fragrance line, Spritz by Tipsy.
Hello, Miss Tipsy.
Hi. So, what prompted you to create this collection with us?
Well, if you guys don't already know that Kairavi is a beauty junkie, but her room, her bathroom, her closet, the storage under her bed is full of perfumes, fragrances, different kinds of oils. And when I went and saw this, I realized that she has such a passion for fragrance and scents, and that's something that I feel is an extension of your personality, and it's your passion. And I think what I feel towards perfume is that you can express yourself, you can have different moods, and that's why I think we felt like it's the perfect combination.
And we liked the same stuff, which I was surprised about.
You had some 35 cents. I had to like some of them.
So what is your current favorite fragrance from the range, and can you guess mine?
My current favorite, I can't pick a favorite. It's very difficult because I like mixing my fragrances and it really depends on my mood. Sometimes I want something that's floral and happy, and sometimes I want something that's deep and sexy and, you know, more nocturnal. But the one that I'm really liking is actually Amber Elixir because it's somewhere in the middle.
Yeah.
It goes from day to night very easily, and then you can layer it with the other fragrances from Spritz and just make it your own.
I feel Amber is the most bougie one. Like something
Is it?
about, yeah. I would think you would like jasmine, but I was surprised like when you were liking all the dark and sexy scents. And
I think I've evolved. Like my fragrance preferences have evolved.
Yeah.
I liked fruity, floral, light fragrances earlier, and now I prefer the ones that are deeper and have more of a body.
So can you guess which one is mine?
I would have to say it's like a mix between Vanilla Whispers,
Yeah.
and coffee.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes!
So are you more of a AM person or a PM person in life?
In life,
Yeah.
I'm an AM person.
Yeah. I knew that.
This-
and I'm a PM person.
Somewhere in the middle, we
Yeah.
find time to discuss and talk shop.
Do you have any like go-to fragrance hack?
So I never use just one. I always mix two. So, you know, till a little while ago, I was mixing a rose fragrance with a tobacco fragrance.
Nice. That's a
And I was using that for the evenings when I was going out. So I think mixing fragrances gives you a very unique blend, and then people can identify that fragrance with you because that's what a signature scent is. And I think also another one is when you layer these fragrances, they last longer.
That's for sure. But with ours, that's not a problem because the lasting power is intense. Like this studio is going to smell like this for 3 days.
I think if from my head to my toe, I have all different notes today.
And one scent that gives you comfort. It doesn't have to be a perfume, but like we said, scents and memories have a connection.
Yeah.
So any scent that, you know, when you smell it, you're like, this feels comfortable.
It has to be Shahid's perfume. He's, I think, used the same one for 15 years.
You told me the Creed.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Creed Green Irish Tweed.
Yeah.
And it's a very strong fragrance that lasts very long. So it's still there in his t-shirts and, you know, in his jacket, and it's a very comforting feeling.
And yes,
That's the end. Awesome. High five.
high five, we did it.